Alright, KTAuthentics Sportsman Weekend Cards. Link. Patrick is going to do some soccer. Let's get this out. It's a museum. It's like the claret jug. Do this. Tom, did they do case hits in this or no? I know I've seen a couple frames in a couple cases. Dealer's choice. I don't want to pick. Patrick, that makes me feel bad. It's like I failed you. I mean, if I was going to pick, I'd pick 8. I always pick 6 or 8 or 3. 3, 6, 8 are my good numbers. 7 and 3. Box 3. Good luck, man. What's up, Jeff? $44 of 75. Wolfswinkle. Sounds like a character on Beerfest. Ricky von Wolfswinkle. Not numbered. Morata. Pepe. Allison. And Dele Alli. Sticker auto. 92 of 99. Sven Comes. Whoa, don't yell at your kid in the shop. That's rude. Sven Coombs. 99 archival autographs. RSC Anderlich. These look nice. 11 of 25, Ricky von Wolfswinkle, red. Momentous Materials. Jumbo. Jersey autograph. These look really nice. TT. And Antoine Griezmann out of 75. There is a jersey in there. Meaningful Materials. Out of 75. The cards look really nice. Wish there was a little more cards. Box 7. A little weight to it. Maybe the last one. What's up? Super Breaks Jeff. Boom. 15 of 50, Nolito. What good news do you have for me? Then we got Luis Muriel, Keylor Navas, Marcio Verratti, and Andres Iniesta. Our jersey is Thomas Müller from Bayern. They numbered these in the weirdest spot. 33 of 80. Thomas Müller. $21 of 75. Bruno Fernandes. Sporting Club of Portugal. At a 99, Ricardo Pereira. I like the other one better. The jumbo jersey. Thank you, Patrick. Let me know if you want to do any more, man. Framed is still there.